Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Mediterranean diet is probably one of the most delicious and health-conscious eating patterns globally, celebrated for its emphasis on fresh ingredients, vibrant flavors, and a holistic approach to well-being that extends beyond just food, making it an incredibly appealing lifestyle choice for anyone looking to enhance their health and enjoyment of meals. Number 5. 28-Day Mediterranean Diet, your lifelong healthy eating plan. Discover a sustainable way to eat well with our 28-Day Mediterranean Diet Plan. It's designed to help you build healthy eating habits that last a lifetime. Explore over 60 mouth-watering recipes inspired by the Mediterranean diet. These are nourishing meals you'll genuinely enjoy preparing and eating. Simplify your journey with 4 weeks of curated meal plans and organized grocery lists. Track your progress and plan for continued success beyond the initial 28 days. Learn how to seamlessly integrate the Mediterranean diet into your daily life. Gain expert insights to maximize the benefits and enjoyment of every meal. This isn't just a diet, it's a guide to creating a way of eating you'll love forever. Start your transformation today and adapt to a healthier lifestyle with ease. What we like. This plan offers over 60 delicious recipes and detailed 4-week meal plans. It also includes expert advice to help you integrate the Mediterranean diet into your life. If you are looking for a structured and comprehensive introduction to the Mediterranean diet with plenty of guidance, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This is a great book for beginners. It has a lot of easy-to-follow recipes and tips for getting started on the Mediterranean diet. I love the meal plan included in this book. It makes it so easy to plan out your meals for the week. The author does a great job of explaining the benefits of the Mediterranean diet and how to incorporate it into your daily life. Number 4. Taste of Home Mediterranean Made Easy. Discover the vibrant tastes of the Mediterranean with this collection. Enjoy light and healthy meals perfect for any day of the week. With 321 recipes at your fingertips, you'll never run out of inspiration. Each dish is designed to be both healthy and incredibly flavorful. Making healthy eating easy has never been simpler. These recipes are perfect for busy weeknights and relaxed weekends alike. Embrace a lighter way of eating without sacrificing taste. This guide focuses on wholesome ingredients for your well-being. Bring the essence of Mediterranean cuisine into your home. It's an easy way to enjoy nourishing and delicious meals every day. What we like. With 321 recipes, this option focuses on light and healthy meals perfect for everyday eating. If you want a vast collection of recipes that are easy to incorporate into your daily routine and prioritize health, this is a great pick. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow and use common ingredients. This book provides a great introduction to the Mediterranean diet with practical tips for incorporating it into daily life. The meal plans are well structured and offer variety, making it simple to stick to the diet. Number 3. Mediterranean Diet Cookbook, 1000 Easy and Delicious Recipes. Discover the vibrant tastes of the Mediterranean with our comprehensive cookbook. It's packed with 1000 simple yet delicious recipes for effortless home cooking. Enjoy 1000 easy-to-follow recipes designed for your kitchen. You can create satisfying and flavorful meals every day. This cookbook makes healthy eating a breeze. Experience the joy of preparing tasty dishes that are good for you and your family. Embark on a culinary journey with authentic Mediterranean flavors. These recipes are perfect for anyone looking to enjoy wholesome and delightful food. Transform your meals with minimal effort. Our collection offers a wide variety of dishes that are both easy to make and incredibly satisfying. Savor the fresh ingredients and simple preparation methods. You'll find that healthy eating can be incredibly delicious and accessible. What we like. This cookbook boasts an impressive 1000 recipes for easy and delicious homemade meals. If you love variety and want a massive resource for Mediterranean-inspired cooking at home, this is the ultimate guide. What people say. Mediterranean Diet Made Easy provides a comprehensive guide to adopting the Mediterranean diet, including detailed meal plans and recipes. The book offers practical tips and strategies for incorporating Mediterranean eating habits into daily life, making it accessible for beginners. Mediterranean Diet Made Easy includes information on the health benefits associated with the Mediterranean diet, supported by scientific evidence. Number 2. Quick and Easy Mediterranean Diet Cookbook. Discover the vibrant tastes of the Mediterranean with our new cookbook. It's packed with authentic recipes designed for your busy lifestyle. Enjoy 76 mouth-watering Mediterranean dishes that can be prepared in just minutes. Spend less time cooking and more time savoring. Embrace a healthier way of eating without the hassle. These recipes make it simple to incorporate the benefits of the Mediterranean diet into your daily meals. Experience the best of both worlds, quick preparation and incredible flavor. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create these delicious meals. Let this cookbook be your guide to effortless Mediterranean cooking. It's the perfect companion for anyone seeking delicious, healthy, and fast meals. What we like. This cookbook features 76 recipes that are specifically designed to be made in minutes. If you have a busy lifestyle and need quick, easy, and healthy meal solutions, this is your go-to resource. What people say. This book is a great resource for anyone looking to adopt the Mediterranean diet. It provides a clear explanation of the diet's principles and offers a variety of delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. The Mediterranean Diet Made Easy cookbook is well organized and visually appealing. The recipes are accompanied by beautiful photographs, making it even more enticing to try them out. The meal plans are also very helpful for beginners. I appreciate the practical tips and advice included in this book. It goes beyond just recipes and offers guidance on how to incorporate the Mediterranean lifestyle into everyday life. The shopping lists and pantry staples sections are particularly useful. Number 1. Mediterranean Diet Cookbook Made Simple. Embark on a delicious journey to better health with our simplified guide. Discover the vibrant flavors of the Mediterranean, made easy for everyone. Enjoy a full year of culinary inspiration with quick and easy recipes. Each dish is designed to be simple to prepare and bursting with taste. Be inspired by beautiful, high-quality pictures that bring every recipe to life. See exactly what you'll be creating in your kitchen. New to healthy eating? This cookbook is designed with you in mind. We break down the Mediterranean lifestyle into simple, manageable steps. Get started immediately with a comprehensive 28-day healthy meal plan. It takes the guesswork out of eating well, ensuring you stay on track. Experience the ease and joy of Mediterranean cooking. Nourish your body with wholesome ingredients and incredible flavors, day after day. What we like. This option provides 365 days of quick and easy recipes, making it ideal for beginners. It also includes a 28-day healthy meal plan and colorful pictures. If you are new to the Mediterranean diet and want a simple, day-by-day approach with visual aids, this is an excellent starting point. What people say. This book provides a comprehensive guide to adopting the Mediterranean diet, including detailed meal plans and recipes. The recipes are easy to follow and use readily available ingredients, making healthy eating accessible. It offers practical tips and strategies for incorporating the Mediterranean lifestyle into daily routines, focusing on sustainable changes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.